Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share with you a quick recipe that only consists of 3 ingredients. It's a perfect snack to take with you when you're on the go or as a quick breakfast. Just have like a bunch of them. Delicious. First you'll need some Medjool Dates. Peanut butter powder. If you can't find it, you can just use normal peanut butter. And some cashews. Now I don't really work with measurements, as a lot of my friends know, so just eyeball it. Add the cashews into the blender. And blend until you get a loose powder. Add that to a bowl and enjoy some ASMR in 3, 2, 1. Add the peanut butter powder to the cashew powder and give it a good stir. Now we're going to start de-pitting or de-stoning the Medjool Dates. It's quite a sticky business. Now combine all of the ingredients together and just mush them, smush them, get sticky, get your hands involved, mush it all together and try and combine them as well as you can. Now we're going to roll out the mixture into a long sausage, cut that in half, then we're going to cut those in half as well. Roll out those quarters and divide again. This will help you get nice, even, round-shaped balls. Nice and even, all the same shape and size. And now, you're done. Now you can just pick them up on your way to work. Easy peasy. Delicious. Snacks. Balls. Also, side note, if you've got any extra cashew or peanut butter powder, stick it in the blender with some frozen bananas, oat milk and vanilla extract and boom, you've got an amazing protein milkshake. Thank me later. Okay, that's all. Bye.